Hi, welcome to the Momsco product training session. I am Sakshi and I would like to introduce you to our award-winning range of safe, natural and effective products. The Momsco was founded by Malika Sadani, mother of two, when she just moved back from London and couldn't find any safe products for her daughters in India. That's when she began her mission to create safe and effective products for pregnancy care, baby care, hair care and skincare concerns. The Momsco is India's largest nature and toxin out brand, which means that we create the products which are made with natural ingredients that are safe, effective and toxin free. Our range has been awarded as the best online mother and baby skincare products by Lux Life Parent and Baby Awards. So we have three main categories. First is pregnancy and mom care, second is baby care, third is skin and hair care. All our products are created with love and without compromise. They meet every international safety standards across US, Canada, Europe, Japan and Australia. We are Made Safe certified, Australian certified toxin free, we are dermatologically approved, we are Australian allergy certified and PETA certified cruelty free. Also, the products are made without any kind of potentially harmful chemicals like PGs, parabens, sulfate, mineral oils, phenoxyethanol, synthetic fragrances and dyes. The first product in pregnancy and mom care is Natural Stretch Marks Oil. It is a non-greasy combination of 7 natural oils like rosehip, sea buckthorn, jojoba and vitamin E that soothe and nourish growing belly. It promotes elasticity and reduces the appearance of stretch marks. It has rosehip oil which is very helpful in collagen synthesis. For better result, it is advised to use the product twice a day. Next product in the same range is Natural Body Butter, which is clinically tested for 24 hours moisturization for excessive dry and itchy skin, especially during pregnancy. This has cocoa and shea butter which keeps the skin moisturized. It has sea buckthorn oil which helps in healing, and this product is awarded as a best body cream by Cosmopolitan. Next product in pregnancy and mom care range is Natural Nipple Butter. During breastfeeding, many women face issues like sore and cracked nipple. To solve the concern, we have created a products with all natural ingredients like calendula oil, kokum butter and vitamin E that help to nourish and soothe the cracked nipples. The product is lanolin and fragrance free. The good thing about the product is moms can feed their baby even after applying this cream. Coming to the next product, which is Natural Foot Cream. Swollen feet during pregnancy is a common concern. The Momsco Natural Foot Cream is made with natural ingredients like peppermint oil, vitamin E, shea butter and argan oil that reduce swelling, help moisturize and keeps heels soft. The next product in the same range is Natural Body Wash. Pregnant women usually experience morning sickness. The Momsco Natural Body Wash helps ease the same and lifts the mood with its refreshing fragrance. It doesn't dry the skin and keeps it moisturized throughout. It is a sulfate-free coconut-based cleanser for gentle cleansing. It has ginger and orange essential oil to keep the nausea away. The next product in the same range is Natural Body Lotion. This has natural ingredients like shea butter, chamomile and jojoba oils that help soothe and moisturize the dry skin. It also has vitamin E that repairs the damaged skin. This natural body lotion also helps in reducing the anxiety and calming the nerves. The next product in pregnancy and mom care is Natural Pain Relief Oil. Natural Pain Relief Oil is widely used for postpartum pain and recovery. It has natural ingredients like mahua, turmeric and mustard oils that are used for postpartum recovery, joint pain and muscle relaxation. Natural Pain Relief Oil also reduces inflammation and helps ease pain in lower back and legs. As a part of pregnancy care range, we have Natural Stretch Mark Bundle, which has two products, Natural Body Butter and Natural Stretch Marks Oil, which works together as a bundle to provide a solution against stretch marks. These products are made with cocoa and shea butter along with rosehip and sea buckthorn oil, which soothe and moisturizes the dry skin and build collagen. It is advised to use oil twice a day and butter once in night time from 3rd month of pregnancy till 6 months post-delivery. Moving on to our baby care products, our baby care range is made with safe, effective and natural ingredients. All our baby range is dermatologically approved and USDA certified. Our products are parabens and sulfates free. These products are loved by moms and babies across the country. Our baby care range has a head to toe solution for the babies. We have natural massage oil, natural hair oil, natural baby wash, natural baby shampoo, baby lotion, natural baby cream, natural baby powder, natural baby mineral based sunscreen. We have repellent, we have natural tummy roll on, we have baby bottom care and sensitive skin care range. The first product in baby care range we have is natural baby massage oil. It's a toxin free combination of 10 powerful oils like organic almond, coconut, avocado, organic jojoba and vitamin E that help nourish, relax and strengthen baby's bones and muscles. It is a mineral oil free product. Second product in baby care range is natural hair oil, which is a combination of 10 powerful oils that nourish and soften the hair. The main ingredient of the products are amla, marula, bhringraj and organic argan oil that softens baby's hair and promote hair growth. Next product in baby care range we have natural baby wash. It is a perfect product for head to toe cleansing. It gently cleanses, softens and doesn't dry the baby's delicate skin. It is a tear-free and soap-free formula. It doesn't have any kind of sulfates. Main ingredient of the products are avocado, argan, chamomile and calendula oils which helps to nourish the baby's delicate skin. Another product in the baby care regime we do have is natural baby shampoo which gently cleanses and conditions baby's hair. The main ingredient of the products are organic argan and organic moringa oil which helps to condition and strengthen baby's hair. This is again a tear-free and soap-free formula. It doesn't have any kind of sulfates, parabens and mineral oils and it does have coconut-based cleansers. Another product in baby care range we do have is natural baby lotion which deeply nourishes and moisturizes baby's delicate skin. Baby's skin is thinner, the skin barrier is not formed, so this lotion helps lock in the moisture. The main ingredient of the products are cocoa, shea, rice bran, apricot and jojoba oils that helps in moisture and keeps the baby's skin soft and supple. This is again a paraben free, mineral oil free and sulfate free formula. Another product after baby lotion we do have is natural baby face cream which provides quick absorption and deeper moisturization than the body lotion. This prevents dryness and soothes the skin. The main ingredient of the products are organic shea butter, hydrolyzed milk protein, organic jojoba and organic apricot oil which deeply moisturizes and restores pH balance. It is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, mild and gentle. Next product in baby care range we have is a natural baby powder. As a natural brand, instead of using toxins like talcum, we have a talc-free cornstarch based powder which soothes and keeps baby's skin dry. The main ingredient of the product is cornstarch which absorbs excess moisture. Apart from the cornstarch, it is having organic oils like avocado, argan, chamomile and calendula oils to nourish the baby's soft skin. Another product in baby care range we do have is natural mineral based sunscreen which protects and helps prevent the sunburns and it is water resistant. As it is a mineral based sunscreen, so it is enriched with minerals like titanium dioxide and zinc oxide which protects the skin from harmful effect of UVA and UVB rays. Apart from that, it is having red raspberry seeds and organic carrot seeds which protect the skin from sun damage. This is a must-have product for outdoor activities like swimming and sports. Another product in baby care range we do have is natural mosquito repellent. It's a DEET-free formula and provides 100% natural protection against mosquitoes. This is enriched with citronella, lemongrass, cedarwood, eucalyptus and soya oils. This offers up to 4 hours of natural protection against mosquitoes that spread chikungunya, malaria and dengue. Moving on to another product, we do have natural tummy roll-on which provides relief from colic and cures baby's upset stomach. The main ingredient of the product is hing and fennel oil which treats stomach pain, colic or constipation. Apart from it, it is having ginger and cardamom oil which provide relief from stomach ache and gases. Now let's talk about baby bottom care range. This range was specially created to help moms with their messy diaper duties and to make their lives easy. This range has 3 products. First one is Natural Baby Bottom Wash. Second is Natural Baby Water Wipes. Third is Natural Baby Diaper Rash Cream. As a regime, you need to clean that area with a Natural Baby Bottom Wash, then wipe it with our natural 99% water wipes, and then you need to soothe that area with a natural diaper rash cream. Now let's talk more about Natural Baby Bottom Wash. The product is made with gentle plant-based cleansers. It keeps baby's diaper area clean. This is made up of natural ingredients like aloe vera, calendula, chamomile and panthenol to soothe and to keep baby's skin rash free. Now let's talk about next product, which is Natural Baby Water Wipes. This is made with 99% water and plant-based cleansers, and these are 100% biodegradable. This is enriched with aloe vera, calendula extract and allantoin and vitamin E to soothe and keep skin rash free. You can keep this product handy for diaper change, messy fingers and mouths, in fact sticky surfaces and toys. Now let's talk about Natural Diaper Rash Cream. This diaper rash cream treats the rashes naturally. This has 15% of zinc oxide, which forms a protective layer to prevent diaper rash. It has calendula, organic chamomile oil and shea butter to soothe and moisturize baby's delicate skin. This is doctor's recommended preventive to curative. This is specially designed for baby's first 3 years and it is very safe and gentle for all little ones. Now let's talk about sensitive skincare range. Did you know that 1 in every 5 babies face the problem of very dry, sensitive and eczema prone skin? The Momsco is among the very few brands in India that has solution for sensitive skin in babies. We have 2 products in that. First is Natural Sensitive Skin Wash and second one is Natural Sensitive Skin Lotion. In a consumer study, 100% parents said that there was a reduction in itching and a soothing effect after application of the product. Now let's talk about Natural Sensitive Skin Wash. This is a creamy coconut based soap free cleanser which is specially designed for those who have very dry, sensitive and eczema prone skin. This is very mild and gentle product and made up with the ingredients which are very natural like 1% of colloidal oatmeal, aloe vera and calendula extract which cleanse the skin without irritation. Now let's talk about Natural Sensitive Skin Lotion. This product is clinically proven for 24 hours of moisturization for very dry, sensitive and eczema prone skin. It has 1% colloidal oatmeal, calendula extract and aloe vera which soothe and moisturize. It also helps control itching. In our baby care range, we also have a head-to-toe kit which is called Baby Pampering Suitcase Kit. In this range, we have Natural Baby Lotion, Natural Baby Massage Oil, Natural Baby Diaper Rash Cream, Natural Baby Shampoo, Natural Baby Powder, Natural Baby Hair Oil and Natural Baby Wash. This kit has everything that is needed to look after baby's delicate skin and hair.